Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we'll be previewing our game against Berekum Chelsea, and without wasting much time, let's get into it. So before we get into it, this is the nature of the Berekum Chelsea pitch. Just take a look at the pitch and see the place Asante Kotoko will be playing tomorrow. And I think it is very disturbing that the GFA actually approved this place for a Ghana Premier League game. It is unbelievable. Like, this pitch isn't good at all, and players shouldn't be playing on a pitch like this. We've already had injury in our first game, Austin Okra and Latif Anabila. Pitches like this will give us more injuries and it will cause problems for the entire team. But hopefully the boys perform against all odds on the pitch and seal a win tomorrow. Asante Kotoko have won just one of the last 5 games against Berekum Chelsea. 3 draws, 1 win for Kotoko, 1 win for Berekum Chelsea. The last defeat against Berekum Chelsea was at the Barrier Stadium, the game that got a fan injured. That game, nobody will forget that particular game, and also got a Penda poster sent off. That was the game, that was the last game we played against Berekum Chelsea, and we lost in that particular game. So it's going to be interesting to see how the boys perform and try to seal another win, or the first win of the season. It's going to be tough because it is very difficult for 2 goals for both teams to score at least 2 goals, and in this particular fixture 3 of these encounters that have ended in a 0-0. I think 2 games ended 2-0. I'll put it on the screen right now. 2 games ended 0-0. The other one ended 1-0. The other one ended 1-0. The other one ended 1-1. So I think it's going to be difficult for both teams to score at least 2 goals in this game. So what I'm hoping is going to be a very good game, and hopefully Kotoko will come out victorious in the game. Now let's talk about the team news. Team news is that Latif Anabila won't be available. We saw against 11 Wonders that he was injured in the second half and was taken off. I think it's going to take 3 or 4 weeks for him to recover. Augustine Okra will also be out, and I don't think he'll be playing against Berekum Chelsea. He's not that injured, he is just not fit to play against Berekum Chelsea. So I think he's going to feature in our next game. Hopefully he does, because we need him, and he was playing very well until he was subbed off against 11 Wonders. So Naby Keita will be back in the team. Now we'll have Naby Keita, Kwame Opoku, Osman Ibrahim, and William Okumensa. We have 4 strikers. I don't know if Maxwell Konedo will be going or traveling with those 4 strikers, but I'm hoping that he pick the best strikers, because we are going to need a lot of attacking power against Berekum Chelsea. Now, but again, if you see against 11 Wonders, they played in a way that limited our wing backs, our left back and our right back. You know, Amori Ibrahim and Samuel Frimpong. And now Christopher Vanetti is also back too, and those people are very good when it comes to attack and helping the attack. But 11 Wonders limited them and stacked the midfield, and they used about 5 players in the midfield, 1 at the right flank, the other one at the left flank, blocking the left back and the right back from making attacking runs. I hope Maxwell Konedo has a plan B to match that kind of tactics, because if they decide to play the way 11 Wonders played against Kotoko, it's going to be a very difficult game. So I hope Maxwell Konedo is up for the task, and the fans will be watching closely. If he doesn't win against Berekum Chelsea, then I'm very sure the fans will start calling for him to leave the club, and it's going to be very sad for him to go, because he has worked with these players for more than 2 or 3 weeks right now. So I think it's going to be sad to see him go. I just hope he wins against Berekum Chelsea, put the right formation, choose the right players, employ the right tactics, and secure a 3 points for Kotoko fans. Now about the midfield, since Latif Anabila won't be playing, I think Emmanuel Sarkodie might come in, or Sule Muniru will be coming in to play to replace Latif Anabila against Berekum Chelsea. It's going to be a very interesting game, very interesting game. I'll be hoping to see Kotoko win and secure all 3 points. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, guys. Peace out.